Diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might hurt me.
Estamos a punto de asistir a la final del torneo PSA Valencia 2012 en el Club Olympia aquí en Alboraya.
En breves instantes dará comienzo el final de esta segunda edición del torneo PSA 2012.
Diamonds are forever. Hold one up and then caress it. Touch it, stroke it and undress it. I can see every part, nothing hides in the heart to hurt me.
La sensación del torneo, señoras, señores, con todos ustedes, desde la India, después de 5 partidos, después de ganar, de luchar, de sufrir, con todos ustedes, llegó a la final y dijo que volvería, y volvió, y está aquí, y ha venido por el título. Señoras, señores, Omar Abdel Aziz.
Between the players, Alex Garbí from India serving and Omar Abdel Aziz from Egypt receiving. Best of 5 games. Local.
I don't need love. For what good will love do me? Diamonds never lie to me. For when love's gone, they'll last on. Diamonds are forever, sparkling Mr. Goldfinger. Pretty girl, beware of this heart of gold. This heart is cold.
Match ball. In my opinion, the ball was good. In my opinion, the ball was good. Listen, listen.
If you remember, I had the same shot in the first and second game. I gave mine now. This is exactly the same shot. This is down.
What I know is the ball was good. If Mr. Aziz wants to give you the ball, it's okay. If not, the ball is good. In my opinion, the ball is good.
This heart is cold. Golden words he will pour in your ear, but his lies can't disguise what you fear. For a golden girl knows when he's kissed her, it's the kiss of death from Mr. Goldfinger. Pretty girl, beware of this heart of gold. This heart is cold. He loves only gold. Only gold. He loves gold. He loves only gold. Only gold. He loves
One thank Alex for his effort. It's a great effort.
diamonds are forever